Hello, today we're going to learn how to do a price reduction in Brokermint. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are in the right company. So if you have transactions that are under the team, or if you have transactions that are under Rocket Real Estate, or if you're an independent agent, you would have a transaction under the independent Atlantic Sotheby's agent account. So first thing you want to do is you just want to check out to make sure you're in the right company. If you're not, you want to log into this account and you'll see the different companies that we have in Brokermint. So you want to make sure that you are connected to the correct one. Not all of you guys will have the same visibility because you don't want to view something that you don't ever, like if you're never going to do deals in Rocket Real Estate, there's no sense for you to even log in and view this account. But there are some team agents that can list in both accounts, so for those purposes, that's why you have multiples. So we're in the team currently, and we're going to go to transactions. What you're going to want to do is you want to either search the property in here, or if you have your transactions in here, you can go into it through here. So I'm going to go to a test transaction, and inside of the test transaction, I'm going to go ahead and apply another checklist. Here's a list of checklists that we currently have. The EE checklists are all labeled EE, so anything for the EEs, closing contracts, all of that will be in here. Everything for the front desk will be labeled FD, so front desk. All the other ones are really for the admin to use, like the marketing, field services, and all of that. If you have a task that you just want to create for yourself, you can always apply a blank checklist. But for right now, we're going to do price reductions. So we're going to apply the front desk price reduction checklist. I'm going to type in your name. So I'll just type in Misty, for example. You always want to select the user one, not the contact. And then for the front desk, you're always going to write in front desk. Front desk works out of a bucket account, so we don't task specific people for things. We just task the front desk, and then they go in and grab the tasks, whoever is available next. I'm going to go ahead and add. So now we have the price reduction checklist applied. So the price reduction checklist task has this little cheat sheet for you to follow. So you can click edit, then you're going to input the price reduction information, add a due date, and then you're going to complete the client approval task. And that's it. It's 4 easy steps. So first you're going to click edit. In here you can delete all of this unnecessary steps that I've put in here. So you're going to put current price, 200,000 for example, new price, 150,000. Deadline, this is really important. If you don't put a due date, nobody's going to complete the task. We have to know the due date because not because we don't want to do it, but simply it just will not be visible to anybody. So the deadline is a due date that's really important. So if you want it done today, you put the deadline as today. If you have any special requests, please reduce before 3 p.m. You know, if you're doing this in the morning, that's completely fine. And then just put it in there, and then the front desk will know what it is. Any other changes, if you need to make, you can also put it in the description. You can type out as much as you want in here. So we have the task name, we have the description of the task, we have a deadline, we have a person assigned to, and then we're going to hit save. Now the front desk has a task for December 1st to reduce this before 3 p.m. And now you're going to upload your client approval. If you have a listing change form signed right away and a client already signed it, just go ahead and upload it here. And let me just see. So I'll just go ahead and upload it really quick, and that's done. It's added to there. If you want to upload just an email, if we have a listing change form on file and you just want to upload an email or a text message from your client showing that they have requested the price reduction, you can go ahead and do that as well. So anything that any documents that are relevant to the transaction. The front desk will grab this task, and it'll go ahead and complete anything that is necessary for a price reduction. If it's listed in Dash as well as Rain, they're going to reduce it in both places. If it's listed in any other MLS, they'll go ahead and reduce it there. There's a few things that we need to do before completing this task. So that completes it. And once it's done, it will just be completed, and all of the rest of the task will just go away. Have a good day.